For modelers interested in development of a new RC plane, we're showing you some early prototype test footage of the RutanRC White Knight Glider. The pilot is Dan Craig. Dan is a partner at RutanRC and an engineer at Scaled Composites in Mojave, California. You can see from Dan's hair standing up that there's a good breeze here in the high desert. Lift is in front of the hill, which is ideal for extended model flight testing. Dan designed and built this White Knight Glider to eventually be included with the RutanRC Spaceship One ducted fan-powered RC model. The idea is that the pilot will fly the RutanRC Spaceship One model to altitude with this glider attached above it, and then release it. The glider will be set for a spiral descent while the pilot continues to fly the Spaceship One. For this test, Dan strapped RC gear on one boom so he can actuate one rudder and one elevator remotely. While RutanRC is making this glider to be flown with our Spaceship One, we are not only testing it today for stability as a free flight glider, we are also getting information about how it will behave as a controlled glider. We're doing this because, not only does adding control for today's test give us longer flights and more data, we are also developing an RC version that we will offer later, in addition to this inexpensive free glider. Previous tests showed that the long moment arm of the boom enables Dan to turn the large glider with a single rudder, and this allows him to keep the glider aloft for extended periods.